Hello YouTube, it's Krow, and here I have the Blue Destiny Unit 2 Exam High Grade. This is a kit I really wanted to review back in Mississippi, but due to time constraints and really having to move, I ended up not actually recording it. So right now I'm in a hotel in Japan. Just gonna go ahead and review this, get it out of the way, and then hopefully on Tuesday, in the next 2 days, I should be able to go ahead and have a nice little setup. As good of a setup as I possibly can, ready for y'all, so I can start doing some actual good reviews. But until then, we're gonna go ahead and review this little guy right here. Really do like it, and I'm pretty excited to go ahead and share some of the features of this kit with y'all. Okay, so the head has a really nice sculpt on it overall. I really do enjoy it. I don't think there's really any issues. It's a pretty nice sculpt, and it has stickers for both the exam mode and the I guess the normal mode. I went ahead and opted out and didn't use any stickers. I just went ahead and painted the eyes, painted the front little sensor at the top, and then the one on the back, and then panel lined and did some top coat. But overall, I do enjoy the look of the head, the aesthetics, and has really good posability. Next, talking about the body looks really awesome. I was going to be using paint for that front little yellow sticker, but I didn't have any good primer, and the yellow paint I have is pretty trash. The yellow paint I had was pretty trash. I don't have it with me anymore, but I just went ahead and used the sticker because I just wanted to take the easy route. But next time, I think I'm just going to go ahead and paint this, once I do actually get all the materials I have, just because I think it'll look a lot better. Overall, though, the body has good articulation. It actually has a nice little joint on the inside to give it a really good little bend right here in the waist. But if you do go too hard, like right here, this little part is going to go ahead and snap right off. Okay, looking at the arms are really nice. There's actually two different sets of shoulders. The yellow one, not the yellow one, wow. The orange shoulders are actually for the Xeon suit, and the blue ones are going to be for, I'm guessing, the Earth Federation. I really didn't pay attention to the storyline, and I don't really have the instruction sheet with me. I'm just too lazy to go on Google, but I'm pretty sure that the blue shoulder pads are actually for Earth Federation force. It does actually have some different markings with it, which I have no idea where those are at, but I just went ahead and kept the yellow. Wow, I keep on saying yellow. I kept the orange and then went ahead and put the Xeon symbol right there. It does come with pretty much two different hands. It's going to have the open hands, as you can see right here on the right arm, and then it's going to have an open hand right over there, but it can also utilize another open hand for that arm, which is right here. Alright, so looking at the waist is really nothing special, to be honest. I do love the little bit of orange right here. Other than that, you get a sticker right there on the back of the back skirt, and that's going to be about it as far as that. Back skirt cannot go up, but the front skirts can, as well as the side. Okay, so looking at the legs, the only thing I really do not like about the legs is going to be these ankles. They don't have a great pivot. They go about that far, and I don't really like the feet. I don't like the ankle skirts right here. I think it's pretty much all bad, but it does actually have some stickers right here on the knees, these little yellow ones. Once again, I really do wish I would have painted these, but I went ahead and just kept using the stickers overall. Now on here on the side, there's actually a little feature which is it's pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that for y'all. So essentially, you're gonna go ahead and take both these parts off, and you're going to readjust this little white part right down here, and it's going to be just a little bit lower than where it previously was, and this is going to go in the normal spot. So this kind of like shows that it kind of just comes out a little bit. What my guess is pretty much that this is going to like give it an extra thrust. That's the best I actually came up with as far as guessing what was the purpose of this little gimmick. I mean, it's kind of cool, but overall I think it's a very unnecessary gimmick unless it really ties into something really important about this mobile suit. But it just seemed a little pointless to me, but overall it's kind of cool. Okay, and then finally we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this backpack. Nothing really too special. It actually has stickers, two different set of stickers, one for the kind of white rim around there on the thruster, and then on the inside, that's a sticker. Pretty trash in my opinion, but I didn't really see away from them to really get a good color separation on here. Well, part separation, I mean. So it kind of is what it is, but it's easily paintable. I just didn't have any white to paint that, nor did I have any primer. Other than that, though, the thrusters look really awesome. I love the thrusters on the side because it gives me an opportunity to go ahead and paint and detail those up. But overall, the backpack's pretty cool, but it also has a little gimmick as far as having a different type of backpack. Now, you can take the, I guess like the other half of the backpack off, and then you can attach these two little thrusters, and I'm pretty sure that this is the atmospheric like backpack. That's just kind of like my guess. I think the other one was a space type backpack, just due to the fact that it had more thrusters, so it can maneuver in space a little better. But I think this one's just more for like once it's actually on Earth, maybe in the air. That's just kind of my overall guess. But don't really care too much for this backpack. In particular, I don't think it really looks that great. But yeah, this is an option if you really want to go ahead and utilize it. Now, before I go ahead and get into the weapons, there's one more little gimmick I want to go ahead and show you. These little shoulders right here, they actually come out just very, very slightly. I think that maybe for the exam system, I read all over in the manual and I didn't see anything, so I might have overlooked it or something. I didn't see any kind of indication of what this is, what the purpose is. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a wild guess that it's for the exam system, but let me know in the comments below on what it may be for. Okay, so the first weapon I want to go ahead and show you is going to be the beam rifle. Looks really awesome. That's actually a pretty cool looking, beam rifle. May not be my favorite one out of all the beam rifles I've ever seen, but it is a pretty cool looking one. Now, it's supposed to have a sticker right there for the sensor, but I went ahead and just painted that as well. So it's up to you if you want to go ahead and use the sticker or go ahead and paint it for yourself. Pretty easy just to go ahead and just paint it, in my opinion. But I understand some people just want to go ahead and get the kit built and do whatever you need to do with it. Now, you do get this nice little machine gun, pretty much comes with it. I think it looks really awesome. It's not really, I don't think it's canon to this suit at all. I think it's more or less canon to the Blue Destiny Unit 1. If it's not, then I'll go ahead and I'll double check, but to my knowledge, this little gun, I don't believe it is canon to this suit at all. Now, here's the shield for him. I think it looks really awesome, just kind of like a basic shield. Looks like it's something definitely for more grunts. It does have a little marking that is the Xeon symbol right there in the middle of the shield. Definitely has a lot of different opportunities for us and maybe some detailing. If you want to go ahead and paint those like two little black parts up there on the top, you're definitely more than welcome. But overall, the shield looks really good and it's a great aesthetic for the overall suit. Okay, so lastly, you're going to get two nice little beam sabers. The hilts are actually located in the leg in this location, pretty much right there. It's on the inside of that. But you do get two nice little beam sabers, the beam saber hilts, beam saber effects, and this is probably like the coolest looking thing about this kit. And I see that this is I'm pretty sure this is the pilot's go-to weapon is going to be these two beam sabers. So overall, when it comes to the posing, I'm probably going to keep it with the two beam sabers instead of the shield and the gun. Okay, so what are my overall thoughts and opinions on this kit? Well, it's overly good. I don't really have any gripes except some parts on the backpack is fairly loose. The ankles are really not that great. The ankle guards are really not that great. But other than those big things, the stickers are not that bad. I actually kind of wish they would have came with an extra head because I would like to swap the head out for the exam activated one with the red eyes and the red sensor. But you do get a replacement eyepiece, clear eyepiece for the exam. But however, the green is still going to be there, and I'm not going to have any ability to like actually cover it up. I'm not going to put like a red sticker over the paint I just did. So that's really about it. Other than those little gripes, the kit's pretty cool. It has like some decent posability. The arms do have a good range of movement. The hips are really nice. Legs are really nice. Knees are really great. So other than that, it actually is you're getting a lot for the overall set price, which is I think is about 1,600 yen. So it's about 16 bucks. You're gonna get a lot of good accessories, and you're gonna get a really nice, aesthetically pleasing looking suit. So other than that, guys, that's my overall thoughts and pretty much review for this kit. If you do have any kind of like questions about it, let me know in the comments below. And if you do have this kit, let me know what you feel about it. And if you don't have this kit, let me know why you don't have it. Maybe it's financial, or perhaps you just don't really like the overall looks on it. But other than that, guys, definitely thanks for watching, and understand that the reviews are going to get way better. I'm just kind of like utilizing what I have in the hotel right now. But if you do like what you've been seeing, definitely ring that bell for notifications on when I do post, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next review. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Are you looking? What the fuck are you looking at, asshole?